Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to clear the Windows update history in Windows 10, then go to this article on the Windows Club and check the first solution. It can be done using simple command lines through the elevated command prompt window. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Now let's copy the first command, net stop Windows Update Service, to stop the Windows Update Service. Hit enter, the service is stopping. Next, copy this command to delete the Windows Update log history. Hit enter, done. Now since we have deleted the history, we would have to restart Windows updates. So we can use this command, net start Windows update. Hit enter, the service is starting. Isn't it easy? There are more solutions mentioned in this article if you wish to use them. And if you have any doubts, again go to this article, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.